Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a file and they're having a hard time doing this. So I just kind of started over, and if you'll take a screenshot of that right there and you see that I've made this one black and made this one disappear, makes life a lot easier. So start with a 1.5 inch circle. Go up here in 1.5 and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Control D and make the other one 0.3. I don't know why, but it just works out. Now grab both those, go up to Effects and blend them 6 times. Now go immediately to Object and break blend apart, but then I'd go and select them all and go Object and group them together, or Control G. Now you're going to take that one and hit the plus key and get the 4-sided cross. And really, it'd be best to get it right here on this node and have it snap right to that one. And then kind of zoom in and make sure your lines are good, and they're good. Now we're going to take this one and Control D. I'm going to alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees and see what it did. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now take this one away. Makes life a lot easier because you're going to cut some lines out. And then I would take this one and right click black. That'll tell you that's your stopping point. So now take your virtual segment delete key while holding down the Alt key, which is kind of like key in this. Let's zoom into like right there. Take your virtual segment delete key, holding down your Alt key. Your Alt key will help you stay in the parameter. And see, I'm stopping at that black. And then I'm going to go uphill. And depending on your coordination with your mouse movement, you would either want to go up or down. I'm pretty good at going both ways, so I'm just going to do that right there. And I'm just deleting all these lines. And see, if you had that center circle, there'd be a lot more lines to delete. Now, here's the best thing you could do is go up to Object and group it together. Now take your Smart Fill tool, and you could do every line, or you could do every other line and get a different look. Now, the reason I group those together is I can move them out of the way. Now I'm going to group these together, Control G, Control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page, and rotate it that 60 degrees. And voila, you have it. That's a pretty cool effect. Now, the other thing I was going to show, and really the real reason, well, besides him asking, the real reason for the video is these are grouped together, so I'm going to hit P. But let's say you don't have these items on the page. And don't forget about the Alt key. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C to copy those, and I'm going to hit delete. And then let's ungroup this. Go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup. So let's say you forgot to ungroup them. And we've already deleted them, so we're ready to go. This time we'll do every line just to get a different look. Now, to get rid of all these other lines, because you want to get rid of the lines that are there in here, is go up to Windows, Dockers, and Objects or Object Manager. And if you look, the last thing you made were these lines. So select that, hold down the Shift key and select that, and then hit delete. And it deleted all those lines. So now you only have those curves. So the best way to do it is to group them together, but if you forget, you could do that. Now let's make these lines white. Let's Control G to group them, Control D to duplicate them, alternate C to have them rotate, and then rotate them that 60 degrees, and you get a totally different look. Now, if you remember, I copied those other ones, so I can go up to paste, and I got them back. And the best reason about the line or the filling it in, it doesn't matter what size you make it, it'll retain a good line. And you could always take and make your lines now, because that's really just lines between there, but they're hairlines, so they're going to stay the same. So let's make them like 4 points, and you get a totally different look. Anyway, I hope that helped that person and maybe somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.